Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Fever. I'm Corey Lefevre, your host, coming to you direct from northern Utah in the United States. So today I wanted to talk to you about a little experiment that I did. About this time last year in 2024, I planted cherry tomatoes and had them grow in my office throughout the winter. And I'll show you some clips of that. Today I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of that and why a lot of people will use starts or start their seeds ahead of time. The results I got were quite amazing. I did get some cherry tomatoes in my office, which was pretty cool, but the full benefit came come spring. I hearted them off and then planted them in my planter box that I did last year. And the cherry tomatoes I got were not only incredibly tasty, they were very big. They were like that size. Compared to store-bought, they were almost double the size, and I'll show some comparisons. So let's go ahead and just jump right in, and I'll show you the plants. After all, that's why we're here, is to check them out. And I'll show you why getting an early start, or the longer the grow, the better. And let's get right into it. So starting your plants early is one of the best ways to boost your garden. One of the simplest, best ways. By getting seeds going indoors, you give crops like tomatoes and peppers a head start, which means a longer growing season and a bigger harvest. Early starts also build stronger root systems, so your plants are more resilient when they face pests and unpredictable weather outside. Plus, you'll save money. One packet of seeds can give you dozens of plants compared to the 3 to 5, sometimes even more per plant that you get at the nursery. And when you grow from seed, you get access to unique heirloom varieties you won't find in stores, or not usually. The bottom line is starting early means healthier plants, higher yields, and more control over your garden. Let's break it down in 6 reasons why starting plants early is a very smart idea. 1, you get longer growing seasons. This is especially helpful for people that grow closer to the poles and further away from the equator. So, by starting seeds before your last frost, warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers and melons get extra time to mature and produce bigger harvests, is what it does. 2, you get stronger and healthier plants, especially if you start them in really good soil to begin with. Early starts allow seedlings to establish strong roots before facing the outdoor stress like pests, wind, and weather, extreme heat, and so forth. 3, you get better yields. Plants that go into the ground already established tend to flower and fruit sooner, meaning more produce overall. And in my experience, as you can see in this video, even bigger and healthier fruits. 4, you get more variety. Starting seeds yourself opens the door to unique heirloom varieties that you won't find or won't usually find in stores, or much harder. 5, cost savings. A packet of seeds is so much cheaper than buying individual nursery plants, especially when you're growing it in indoor bulk. I mean, think about it. Let's say $5 a start, which is some of these that you'll find at your nurseries and stores. What's 5 times 20? 5 times 30? How many plants are you wanting to grow in your garden? That adds up quick. And 6, successful planting with an early start, you can stagger plants and harvest multiple rounds of crops throughout the season. So with that, I hope it helps you. I encourage you to do little things like this, little tricks. Everything helps when it comes to your plants, especially if you have a short growth season. This can be incredibly vital to your garden. Get a jump on the plant before it's actually warm enough to go outside. And with that, let's make this world a paradise, one garden and one yard at a time. I'm Corey Lefevre. Until next time.